Hello and welcome back to Investing for Generations, your channel for high quality stock research for long-term value investor. And today I want to give you my weekly update for week 25 of 2021. Last week my portfolio recovered a little bit after the 2 weeks before. It just really suffered and have a drawdown, and last week it came back, and overall the performance now is 68.24% compared to the S&P 500 of 37.47%. So our performance since the start in December 2019 of over 30%. In the video today I want to go through 3 topics. First of all, my transactions, the received dividends, and the performance overall. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, because this helps my little channel so much in growing slowly but steady. So thank you for that in advance. And with that, let's go to the transactions. Last week I was able to deposit another $6,400 to my account, and therefore the cash position just grew, and I will show you this a little bit later. And also I added 8 stocks of MHO Homes for $59.91 to my already current position. And with that I have now 100 shares of MHO Homes, or 4.93% of my portfolio. And as you also can see here, the cash position is up to 27.66%. This is quite high. Normally I like my cash position between 10 and 20%, but currently with this overall high valuated market, it's really difficult for me to find good or great businesses for reasonable prices, and so the cash position adds up to now 27%. Why I added to MHO Homes? I made a video before and explained. You find a link here up on the screen, but also lately I found another article on Seeking Alpha, a rising home building star. I put a link to this article down in the description below, and just want to go through the main points here in this article, and it just say what I also say in my video. MHO Homes remains under the radar and is one of the smallest and fastest growing players in the home building sector. MHO Homes is just followed, I think, by 2 or 3 analysts on Wall Street, so nobody really had on their radar. On the other hand, it's a great business, as I explained in my video, managed by great people, and so it could be really a chance. Also, the housing market is still resilient, of course, backed by the record low mortgage rates. And there's also the risk, of course, when the mortgage rates rise again, and they will sooner or later rise again, then of course there is also a risk for the business of MHO Homes. But they have a really great management, and they have great strategy. For example, the land option contract strategy is really great and save this company somehow. And so I really trust in this management, and the company overall looks very, very solid. And of course, as an investor, or one of the reasons I invest now, it seems like MHO Homes trades at a discount. I did an intrinsic value calculation in my video and found out it's, in my view, highly undervalued, but also discounted compared to the sector averages. In my video, I compared it to one of the other big house builder companies, Lennar, and found out overall with all these numbers MHO Homes looks a little bit better, and especially way cheaper. At the time, this was before the Q1 earnings was reported, I calculated the intrinsic value of $81. Now the Q1 earnings are out a few weeks ago, and they were great, really, really great. And so the intrinsic value, I think, is, with this Q1 numbers out, I would say even higher, around $100. But the current price is still around $60 right now, $58, and so was a good moment to add more. And as I said, also when you compare it to the whole sector, it seems like they are really undervalued. The trading discount is quite high on every number. And so overall, I think on the one side we have good business with a great management, and which is very, very important, with a big margin of safety. At least it seems like this. And so I will add over time more and more with prices around $60. Of course, all the time in relation to my whole portfolio. Portfolio management, of course, is a big thing here. And with that, let's take a look at the dividends I received last week. I received $7.01 from Tencent, one of my Chinese businesses in my portfolio, and I received $3.90 from Electronic Arts. Not a lot overall, but at least a little bit of cash flow. And then let's take a look at the performance overall. For the viewer who are maybe new here to my channel, I want to start with the finished trades already, so you can see what happened here in the future. And you see almost all of my trades finished in the plus. I gained some money. Only the AT&T trade was in the minus with 3.61%. And so far, so good. And also when I look at the current stock prices of all of these businesses, overall, I'm quite happy that I decided to sell at the point I did. So nothing wrong here. And then take a look at my current portfolio, and here you see all the positions I currently own. And the best performing stock here is Imperial Oil with 116% up, followed by Leggett & Platt, Facebook, and so on. And only MI Homes is in the minus with 8.77%, but I explained before why this is not that bad, and even a better chance to add more stocks to a really good price, at least in my view. And also the two Chinese stocks, Tencent and Alibaba, last week gained quite a bit, and so maybe they already hit bottom, and we will see how this will go on. And as I showed you at the start of the video, with this portfolio and these trades, I made a performance of 68.24% since the start in December 2019, compared to the S&P 500 over the same time span of 37.47%. Quite a nice outperformance, and this will be the same in the future. My goal, the whole idea, is to find good and great businesses for reasonable prices and then buy them with a margin of safety to the intrinsic value and wait until they reach the intrinsic value again, or even go over that. And when it seems like the price is exuberant to the intrinsic value, just sell again. That's the whole idea. And if you like the whole idea and the strategy, then please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. This helps the YouTube algorithm and therefore also my little channel to grow over time. And then we will see how this will work out, and you can be part of that. And I'm really happy about every single subscriber and also the interaction in the comment section. So if you have any idea about the strategy or questions, whatever, just let me know in the comment section. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and then we will see the next time with the analysis of another stock. See you then. Take care. Bye bye.